Guys, welcome to the first home project of 2026. I partnered with Hernest to transform my amazing friend and neighbor living room. I am so excited to share this transformation with you. If you are not familiar with Hernest, they have a great selection of modern furniture. This is the before of the living room. We shot this during the holidays, and I said, she was almost done with her staircase because this house got brand new flooring, and that already kind of gave a whole new update to the space. So I said, hey, the living room furniture is dated. It's also making the space feel a lot more smaller than what it was. So this room felt a little flat and outdated. So I started by adding window treatment to soften the space and a neutral rock to ground the sitting area and create a clean foundation for our furniture. I went with the 88-inch Solace sofa, and you guys, the setup was incredibly easy. I was able to do it completely on my own, as you can see. I knew the right furniture was going to make a big impact for this space. We needed a sofa that wasn't going to take a lot of room from the living space, but that would modernize and brighten this space. And we found the perfect one at Hernest. Sofa came in two separate boxes, and it was pretty much fully assembled. All you guys have to do was just to put the legs of the sofa, screw those in, and then kind of make sure that the sofa was attached together so it doesn't move. The sofa features a linen blend fabric that feels soft, breathable, and relaxed, and cold to the touch, perfect for everyday living. It has a solid wood frame, and the cushions are comfy but still supportive, so it feels good to sit on it all day. The color that I chose was the white linen. The curved design, it's so stylish, you guys, and it makes the space look so modern. The deep seating makes it easy to stretch out and relax. If you're thinking about updating your living room, I highly recommend this sofa. Everything is linked in the description box below, and you can use my code for savings. To keep the space feeling modern and elegant, I pair the sofa with these neutral accent chairs that have the wood details on the sides and a natural tree as well to bring warmth and balance into the room. I also added the soft lighting consoles to the wall. And this is how the room looks, you guys. There's still a few finishing touches coming, like a coffee table, some accessories, but this sofa truly became the star of this makeover and completely modernized her living room. The sofa is definitely Katie approved. The sofa was chosen for real life, whether she's relaxing, reading, or working from home. The deep seating and soft texture makes it incredible inviting. Guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to check the description box because I link the sofa and also my discount code. And thanks to Hernest for partnering with me on this makeover. Stay tuned for the next part of this makeover, and let me know down in the comments which coffee table you think we should be adding. My favorite is the first one, which is a travertine table.